And what is your favorite diet food that you like to eat? Let me know in the comments below. And what's your favorite fitness routine time that you like to go out? Is it the morning, afternoon, or evening? What do you prefer? And music, what's your favorite music you like to listen to when you're hitting the gym or going out for a walk? Because I think for me it matters a lot. I remember when I used to go to the gym, uh, sometimes they would play some nasty music, and it just spoils your whole mood and kills your motivation. You don't feel like working out, so you have to change it. So, but if you like these days, you can always have your own personal music playing in your ears. So, but that really matters, the kind of music you're listening to when you're working out. It sets the mood right, it sets the tempo right. So make sure that it's your favorite music. If you're walking, then some light, mellow, uh, you know, music works out fine. Like when I started my walk, uh, something like some spiritual content or some instrumental music, orchestra, something like that. And later on, as I progressed towards uh, a more intense workout like brisk walking or even running, that's when I needed some fast pace, fast beats music. So some of the good genres to utilize for that would be funk music that you must have heard in most of the reels these days. So one of the bands I can suggest you is Chord Hill. Then there is some Japanese music, Japanese anime OSTs, or some other Japanese instruments. So that's really some cool music you can utilize to work out. So basically, whatever jives you, whatever rolls your boat. Oh. So out here in Delhi, I see a rise in temperature majorly. It's become really hot now. It's colder in the nights, and especially in the park because it's very green. The temperature dips down pretty low, but otherwise it's getting hotter. And you can see it's an open gym installed by, I think this is invented and installed by IIT guys. So it's really cool stuff. I tried some of it. And recently I noticed they've also installed weights. Yeah, let's check it out. See? So these are weights for chest, I believe. So that's really a good effort. Salute to them. So after I've completed the 12 weeks fitness challenge, that is something basically I'm doing to shed weight so I can stick to the same routine on a daily basis, continue the walk or the running to keep in shape and get lean, overall healthy body, not like a 8-10% body fat protein or something like that, but overall a healthy toned up slim physique. But once I've completed the 12 weeks fitness challenge, I am going to start with some abs, crunches, and some other cardio exercise, or basically calisthenics. So not using the weights like in the gym artificially to pump up, but more like uh, you know managing your own body weight and doing those regular olden days exercise mixed with some one of those new calisthenic uh, stances like lunges and push-ups and sit-ups and stuff like that. So the open gym that I showed you in the park right now, they have installed the inclined and reclined benches also, in case anybody wants to do sit-ups or push-ups. It really helps. The good part about that is, in childhood when I was in school, I joined taekwondo classes for a short while, and I was pretty good with that. But those people who were teaching, they left the area and never came back for some reason. But while I was there, it was really great. So they would start with some stretching exercise and butterfly, so you could do a 180 stretch, and every day they used to make us do sit-ups. So we would lie on the grass on the ground, bare ground, and they would make a pair, so two each helping each other. One person would be lying down and crunch position doing the sit-ups, and the other one will be held sitting next to them, holding their feet or pressing their feet with their own feet under feet. So like that we used to help assist each other doing the sit-ups, and it was really effective. Every day they used to be a part of it, like 10 to 15 minutes, and very very strict, no excuses whatsoever. And we must be 14, 15 years old, but boy, I'll tell you the result. Boys and girls alike had built up very strong abdominal muscles that, of course, not initially, but after 2-3 months of doing that, just to check, and the instructor knew somehow, they used to step on our stomach and walk over us. Yeah, that's real. Just to check the strength of the tenacity, the strength of the abdominal muscles. So you wouldn't have any option but to just cringe and stiffen your abs, and you also knew that nothing's going to happen because you build up strong abdominal muscles. So that's something they used to do, but that helps you reduce belly fat really fast. So I've noticed that there is overall very good loss of water and overall tone up in the body, and there has been reduction around the chest. I had this massive man boobs, not that big, but generally how you have extra fat bulging out, used to look very ugly. So there's been some remarkable reduction in that. So, but to further tone it up and speed up the whole process, after the completion of 12 weeks of this running part, because I also have some other things I need to take care of, I'll start up with the, what do you call, the sit-ups or the abs. 1 second, somebody is asking.
Can you give some water in this?
Huh?
If you don't mind, can you give some water?
क्या?
Pani, thoda, if you don't mind.
हाँ हाँ,
Just-
पानी.
Thank you.
किसके लिए चाहिए?
I just need to water the plants. That's my, and thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, somebody was asking for some water.